Hi everyone. Today we continue with the chapter 6. Today's our topic is care of clothes. This is the last topic of chapter 6. So from this chapter we have learned the importance of clothes, why do we wear clothes, and different types of clothes, different seasons, and the last topic care of clothes, how we can care of our clothes. First step, always wear neat and clean clothes. It's very important to wear neat and clean clothes. So all the time we should wear neat and clean clothes. A hole in any dress should be mended. If there is any hole in your dress, what we have to do? We have to stitch it and we have to mend it properly. Woolen and silk clothes should be sent for dry cleaning. We cannot wash properly this woolen and silk clothes. So what we have to do? We have to send it for dry cleaning. While storing woolen clothes, mothballs or dried neem leaves should be kept between their folds. This helps to keep insects away. So when we store woolen clothes, what we have to do? We have to keep mothballs, otherwise dried neem leaves should be kept between their folds. So if we keep these mothballs or dried neem leaves, it helps to keep the insects away. The insects will not come inside the clothes and it will not make dirty the clothes. So we have completed chapter 6 and we have exercises. Answer the following. Do this exercise in the textbook and also in the copy. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Cotton clothes absorb the sweat and keep our bodies cool. Write 2 ways to taking care of your clothes. A hole in any dress should be mended. Woolen and silk clothes should be sent for dry cleaning. How do woolen clothes keep us warm? Woolen clothes do not let the body heat escape. One more exercise. Give 2 examples of each. We have to write 2 examples of each. First one, natural fibers. Cotton and wool are the 2 examples of natural fibers. Man-made fibers. Rayon, nylon. Things that are waterproof. Raincoat and gumboots. And you have one activity. Collect small pieces of cotton, woolen, silk and man-made clothes and paste them in your copy. So collect all these things will be there in your house itself. So collect from the house and paste it in the copy. You can get from your home itself all these things, the pieces of cotton, woolen and silk and man-made clothes and so small pieces paste in the EVS copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.